Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra from cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several large sheets of sturdy cardboard, a sharp utility knife, and a protective cutting mat. Don't forget a hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks, a long ruler, and a pencil for precise marking. Having a detailed template or blueprints of the Toyota Supra is crucial for accuracy. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves when cutting. Let's begin crafting your dream car. Now, let's move on to the cutting and shaping phase. Using your printed templates, carefully trace and cut out all the major body panels from your cardboard. Precision is key here, so always use a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to ensure clean, accurate cuts. For the Supra's iconic curves, gently score the cardboard and fold it, rather than creasing it sharply. This technique helps maintain smooth, realistic contours. Take your time to capture the car's unique design elements. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Start by hot gluing the main chassis components together, followed by the larger body panels. Apply generous amounts of hot glue to all joints and seams to ensure a strong, durable structure. Once the basic shape is complete, you can begin adding the intricate details. Craft the windows, headlights, taillights, and even the iconic spoiler. For an even more authentic look, consider painting your cardboard Supra or applying a vinyl wrap. This step truly brings your creation to life. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your incredible cardboard Toyota Supra. Take a moment to inspect your model for any small gaps or areas that might need additional reinforcement with glue. If you're feeling ambitious, you can even craft some interior details, such as seats and a dashboard, to enhance realism. To protect your hard work, consider applying a clear sealant to the entire model, safeguarding it from moisture and dust. Now, find the perfect spot to proudly display your unique, handcrafted Supra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.